Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to be featuring the polish my friend Tammy made for me at the Indie Expo, and it's named My Friend Tina, and I'll be using MoYou London Lace Collection 01. And here's the polish, My Friend Tina. It's in a Beauty Expo, Polish and Beauty Expo bottle. Very cute. So I'm going in with the first coat, and it's looking a little sheer, but that's okay. I don't mind. It's got a good formula, so I'm going to roll with it. I've seen it swatched already, so I know how gorgeous it's going to be in the end. Here we go with our second coat. And this one's hard to describe. It pops off blue and teal and pink and purple. It just depends on the lighting. So I'm going to do 3 coats of this today. Before I do my playing, you guys know I'm going to play on it. I did wear it all on its own one day without any nail art on it because I just wanted to look at it. I am going to top this with I&M out the door, and that is going to be it for the day. And then I'm going to come back and do some nail art, of course. And it's just so pretty, you guys. And what an amazing friend I have with Miss Tammy. She is just absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe she made me a polish special. So there is a photograph of it on its own. We'll be using MoYou London Lace Collection 01 today. There we go. And I've got my beauty scraper out and my Monocle stamper, and I'll be using Maniology's pewter as well as bases loaded lacquer on the black. And I'm going to use one of these images and go across 4 of the nails with the image kind of the way it's laid out on the plate. And then I'm going to use part of the image to do my thumb as well. So we're going to be double stamping today. I am going to use a little piece of tape to get this excess off of the stamper. Now I know this is a little bit longer of a video than I normally do, but there's a lot of steps to this one. And I'm going to be out of frame a lot because I'm just a hot mess, literally a hot mess. The humidity in my brain. And see, I try to get like squeezed in tight so y'all can see everything I'm doing. But with that, we also end up with me getting out of frame, which is not good. So I'm cleaning my plate with pure acetone. I did clean that stamper off just with a little piece of tape that I had sitting out. And, you know, get it off my skin and the stamper. And I want y'all to know this is the last time y'all are going to get to see that particular beauty scraper because I ended up breaking it. It was old. Lots of abuse. And it finally just cracked and went, ugh. So I'm going in. And I am kind of cleaning up as I go. And I know that's silly, but that's just how I do it. I could have waited until I was totally done, but I didn't do that. I just kept on. And now I'm like looking to make sure of where to start, you know, covering the. I want to make sure it looks kind of like it does on that plate. So I'm trying to line it up with bits and pieces. And it does get confusing because I turn the stamper around to, you know, use the tape on it to get the excess off. And then I'm all confused. Alright, well the camera bugged out on me, but we did get that on the nail. And I picked it up right here where I'm doing the cleanup. And you'll get to see me do this next one. I love these plates with images like this that you could run across the nails. It looks so pretty. It's just, you know, it's all cohesive and looks so pretty together. But it's not every nail exactly the same. And I really, really like that. I think that's so cool. This plate jumps out at me every time I flip through those MoYou London plates. So there we go. We'll roll that one on there and get the excess up just a little bit. Tap, tap. Alright, so we got our first set of stamping done. I'm going to clean this plate off and break open the pewter by Maniology. And we're going to get started going over these. Now, some of these I lined up really well. I was really impressed. But there's 1 or 2 of them that Got a little wonky, but it still looked good, and I was not upset about any of it. I was very, very pleased with this one. Lining things up is just not so easy for me, and I'll get one side lined up, but not the other. There we go. All out of frame again. You guys know this is one of my worst habits is getting out of frame. But we're going to work with it. I still wanted to share the manicure, even after editing the video and realizing how bad out of frame I am, like right now. I decided to still share it. Share it, share it, share it all. The good, the bad, the out of frame, all of it. I mean, you can see that I am doing something. You just can't see what I'm doing. Ah, girl's crazy, I'm telling you. But with this, I was really trying to focus on lining those up, and I really should dial the camera back out some more. There we go. Got that lint roller out. Finally realized I needed it. But yeah, this plate's going to have to just get used again. I'm looking at it now, and I'm like, oh, that's my favorite. Love, love, love this plate. Okay, so I got my stamper cleaned off, and we're going to try to actually show y'all this one. Here we go. Kind of a little blurry, a little out of frame. Girl trying to figure it out. Okay, I think we're going to actually show this one. Ta-da! Wasting a little bit too much time. I had some flyaways. Lordy be. Girl done gone crazy. So I'm cleaning that plate off with the acetone. Now I've got one more to do. Hopefully I'll show this one too. I guess 2 out of 3 ain't bad. or 1. I don't know. Oh goodness. Here we go. But I really loved how this turned out. And when I was out in the sun, I would turn my hand so that I could see all those different colors. The pink, purple, teal, blue. Oh, so pretty. And the stamping, it's a lot of stamping, but the colors still just scream out from underneath it all. So cool. Alright, so we're going to get this plate cleaned off. And I'm not sure if I showed my thumb or not. Come on, girl, let's hope we showed the thumb. A lot of times I don't show the thumb. Sometimes I don't paint my thumbs at all, so, you know. Yep, we're going to show it. Look at there. So it's great. Go pick it up. Get this excess off of here. Isn't that such a pretty image? Oh. Alright, so. Oh, you get to see this one too, kind of. My hand was in the way a little bit. But as you can see, I don't wait between them. I just, whatever time it takes for me to clean the plate off and the stamper off and get everything ready again, and then I hop in with that second color. And no waiting. So here we go. The thumb turned out really good. It's kind of a shame that it turned out really, really good, because it's not one of the fingernails that gets seen a whole lot. So I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Going to get it to dry down. So, so pretty. Love this manicure. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And once that is dry, I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat. Seal everything in. And finish this one off. I love that you can see the purple and the teal and the blue and that. But I wish you could have seen the pink too. I don't, you know, these are hard to get on camera. Real hard. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.